Hello guys, today we'll learn equations. Do you have any idea how to solve all these equations on the screen? So we'll solve them one by one. So first of all, y plus 3 equal to 7. So what we'll do, we are to single out this variable y. So how to do it? It's a very simple method. This is plus 3 here, so you will put a minus 3 on left hand side and also minus 3 on right hand side, because for equation is like a balance. Whatever you do to the left hand side you have to do on the right hand side, right? And this will cancel out plus 3 and minus 3, so you will be left with y on left hand side equal to 7 minus 3 4. This is one way. This is the basic how to alienate a variable from the equation and find its answer. The more practical way or the usual way is that people do it like this: y plus 3 equal to 7, and they do it like this: 7, and when this 3 will go that side, this will become minus 3. Like here, it became minus 3, so here also it will become minus 3, and on it will become 4. So y equal to 4. Now over to the next equation, that was 5y equal to 18. Again, how we'll solve it? We will alienate this variable. So how we can do? 5y means 5 times 5. So we'll divide it by 5. And if we divide on left hand side, we'll divide on right hand side also. Okay. So what this will become? This will become y on left hand side and equal to 18 upon 5. The usual way, now the more practical way is y equal to 18, and what people do? So they do it like this: upon 5. Why? Because this is multiplied here, and when we put, we transpose terms, basically we say that. So on that side it will become a division. So y from numerator it will become a denominator. So that is the answer. Third equation, a upon 4 equal to 16. So in this case, 4 is a denominator. To lineate a, we have to remove 4. So how will do it? So 4 times a upon 4 equal to 16 times 4. And then cancelling out 4, 4, we are left with a equal to 64. And another variant we'll see is m upon 3 equal to 5 upon 9. So to single out this m, we have to multiply it by 3 so that 3 is cancelled out from the denominator. So 3 times m upon 3 as it is, and 5 upon 9 times 3. And now cancel out m equal to, it will be 1 here and 3 here. So 5 upon 3. So that is the answer. That's it for today. Thank you.